What's up, guys? Back at the pond today. I haven't done any rain fishing in a long time, so that's really all I'm going to be doing today. Just kind of chilling out in the rain and seeing what we can catch. So last time I came out in the rain was probably last summer. But yeah, so today I don't really have any set plans. Just gonna fish for whatever. I brought 2 rods, one for bottom fishing. Just gonna put some night crawlers on it, and then I got a rooster tail on this. I'll just keep switching that out to whatever I want. So yeah, it's just gonna be a little laid back fishing. Not really going for anything specifically. The other day I lost a pretty big bowfin over here. Well, I say pretty big, but it's a little pond, so little pond. But it was about 4 to 5 pounds, I would guess. But it was just so hard to get down to the bank because, as you can see, it's all overgrown now. And my dog was here running in front of the line and trying to bite the fish as it was coming up. I just couldn't get to it in time and it just fell off. So yeah, let's just get right into it. See if we have any good luck today. Gotta get our rod holder in there. Hit a rock. Ugh. I'm just gonna put a night crawler on there and let him sit in the bottom while I cast with my other rod. Alrighty, we got the worms on. Had them in the fridge for about a month. Oh, fish just jumped right here. Yeah, I had the worms for about a month. Just been sitting in the fridge. Still doing good. Nice and lively still. So I'm gonna use them. Yeah, that's a good sign though. The fish are still coming up with all the rain. It's actually pretty chilly right now. I didn't expect it to be this cold. But at least it's not raining heavy. Now let me not talk too soon, but I would love it if it would stay like this the whole time. So I got on this little 1/4 ounce rooster tail. It's a little black and white one. It's got a little fish on the body part. It's pretty cool. I usually have good luck with these. I had a heavier one. I think it was 1/2 ounce. And it worked pretty well at the start of spring. So hopefully this one works just as good. Let's go. Well, I know the lens is going to get covered up by rain. So hopefully it isn't too bad. Oh, no way. There was a fish right on the freaking top. Gosh. That thing hit hard too. Could have been a big old crappie or a little bass. Dang it. That's what I've noticed recently is they'll follow it up right to the shore and then they'll bite. So hopefully he bites again. Or she. I'll take a big mama. I'm gonna try a really slow retrieval. That usually works for the big ones. Just low and slow. It is getting wet out here. I think it's picking up a little bit. Now this video might be coming out a little late. Just because track started back up. And then all this graduation stuff with the school just kind of gets in the way a little bit. So if I'm not on time, y'all know why. And for the past week and a half, the water hasn't been flowing to the other side. It's gotten really low because of all the warmer temperatures. I haven't been on the other side since the water's gotten low. The water's probably going to start flowing again with all this rain. But I remember walking down here, I came down with my mom, and you could see through the trees just up here. Like from up here, you could see the little fish like in the water. It was that shallow. Nice and still down there. Walking away from the bottom rig. Hopefully I don't miss nothing. Got this nice big tree covering me, blocking out some of that rain. I'm gonna switch out to that pink and green rooster tail, then I'll start casting again. I'm gonna have to leave my tackle bag by the truck right along these trees because it's not getting too much rain over here actually. I'm basically not getting really any at all right here, just a tiny bit. Now I gotta walk back out into this chaos and hopefully get me a little fishy or a big fishy. Hopefully the color change helps quite a bit. Wet. I feel like Cardi B out here. Come on, man. I want to see my rod bend. I actually took my little sister out fishing the other day. She caught a little bluegill on this little topwater fly on her little, what was it? It was like one of them little princess rods. You're getting them, I think. Oh yeah. Come on, faster. Reel it all the way up. Oh, it's a good one.
Oh.
Reel it hard, hard, hard. Oh no. Look at that fishy.
Whoa.
Look at that wishy.
It's a wishy.
He came off the hook. Look at Lana's fish.
Wait, I want to pet it. Ew, you're so beautiful. But gooey.
Yep.
You're so beautiful,
Good
but
job.
gooey.
Alright, I'm either gonna switch to a topwater real quick or check out the other side, or both. I don't think I've used this yet on the channel anyway. Alright, heading on down to the back spot. I'm gonna just leave that rod out there. Nothing much really happening. So hopefully if we get a bite up there, it'll stay up there till we get back. Man, there's gotta be some ticks right here. Freak it, I guess. Try not to get nothing poisonous on me. That is, oh my god, it's super shallow. Oh, it's wet. Dark back here. Oh, I can see the fish right now. Bunch of tiny bluegill. I know y'all can't see them most likely, but they're definitely over there. Super dirty, muddy. You can see all the fish. That's so cool. Oh, there's a big one over there. I can see him. That's a big one. Gotta come back here soon when it's actually sunny out, not raining. It is not pleasant out here. Soaked. It's cold. It's getting late. You know, I don't really have any other backup videos, so this might still have to go up. I mean, even if we don't catch any fish, I guess it's just sharing the experience that matters, I guess. And then I'm gonna get the little yellow guy, little grasshopper. We're gonna put him on, see if he floats any better down there. Second time's a charm. Go back down into Jumanji. I mean, they've got to be overfed down here. I need Big Mom over there to take a bite, though. I know the field of view on the GoPro is like really wide, so I know y'all probably can't see it. He's right by that stump sticking out the water. Alright, I'm gonna do 3 more casts down here. Then I might try up there for a tiny bit more, and then I'm gonna call it quits. Man, they're just all scared of it, keep turning away. Don't even bother with it. Alright, last cast. Come on, big boy. This one is literally for you, right in front of you, man. Oh, it's right there. There's 2 decent ones over there. Dang it. Just not looking at it. Alright, you know we gotta do one more security cast. Just because we always got to. And of course it tangles up. That's alright. Just gonna try out the rest of our time up there. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it quits here. Had no more luck. No luck down there, up here, anywhere. So hopefully y'all enjoyed just the experience fishing out here in the rain. And I'll see you on the next one. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.